Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Copilot AI to perfectly edit and publish your videos. So make sure you will just use this software which is called Filmora, and I will be just logged in and I will just put some random footage and how you will just help of Copilot to edit your videos. So this is the Copilot icon. I will just tap on it simply. So this is the Filmora Copilot beta, and if I just give them a command in suggestions like audio adjustment, so I will just tap on it. So I want to perform the extract background music operation on the selected clips. So I will just tap on it, try for free. So it will be processing. So it will says that to help you extract background music from the selected clips, please make sure you have selected the clips you want to process. Once the clip are selected, I can process the operation. Okay, I will just minimize it, and if I just like in the parts like this one, and I will be stab on it like cut. Good afternoon, you must be Mr. Wang. Yes, good afternoon. Pleased to meet. And I will just again tab on this cut one. So this is the part, and I will just again open the Copilot. So I will just give them command again, audio adjustment. Good afternoon, you must be Mr. Wang. Yes, good afternoon. Pleased to meet. So in this way, you will have to use a Filmora Copilot to adjustment your all editings, and you will just finalized, and you will be just able to publish in your social media platforms. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.